How the 99% low and middle class get poorer while the 1% get richer. The emergence of the so-called 1% is not only about hard work or luck, but about specific financial strategies. These strategies have been passed down from generation to generation in certain cultures for centuries. In fact, they have been used by certain people around the globe to build wealth, create opportunities, and empires without the majority of people even realizing that they are being used. It's no secret that the wealthy are getting wealthier while the poor are getting poorer. The typical rich person also gets rich much faster than the ordinary poor person, and they tend to stay at the top of the pyramid longer. But why? What information does the wealthy have that the average person does not? Hi, and welcome back to another video of Finance Sense, where we cover all the latest trends in the financial markets and the economy. In this video, we'll talk about the financial tricks the wealthy employ to help you accumulate wealth. But before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and click on the notification bell to stay updated with our videos. Now, let's head on to the video. Number 1. Work has changed as a result of technological advancements. While the advent of technology has given limitless opportunities for the highly skilled, it has also resulted in significant job losses. Middle-class workers have lost jobs ranging from administrative work to basic manufacturing as machines and robots now do these jobs. Furthermore, because highly educated professionals often have a plethora of these skills, the relevance of abstract problem-solving, communication skills, and organizational skills has risen. Simultaneously, the value of many cognitively repetitious office and assembly line tasks has declined. This has intensified a downward pressure on salaries as well as economic uncertainty for individuals with less education. As long as the lower and middle classes continue to struggle to obtain higher paying jobs, the rich will continue to use this to their advantage and get even richer. Number 2. The wealthy network with other successful individuals. Rich people recognize the numerous advantages of networking. Networking is a worthwhile investment of time since it allows them to meet new individuals with unique and thought-provoking ideas and who keep their focus on success. Wealthy individuals typically network with other wealthy individuals who exhibit ambition, skill, and most importantly, the ability to achieve great success or who have already achieved success. This helps them get wealthier as they develop more ties and do business with more people in the same industry. However, networking is not limited for the wealthy. You can begin networking with others now. If you engage in networking, you will develop stronger relationships which can lead to better opportunities. Consequently, it goes without saying that due to their wider connections, the rich may continue to accumulate money through larger investment opportunities. Therefore, if you are in a sea of people, learn to market yourself and exchange contact information because you never know what the future holds and if that one individual may one day be of great assistance to you. You don't need to attend expensive black tie parties. You can network over a simple cup of coffee. Number 3. Rich people place a greater value on their time. The wealthy utilize time to their advantage since it is a valuable commodity. Rich people tend to place a higher value on their time, whereas poor and middle-class individuals do not. We all work for money, which is usually adequate compensation for the time and effort spent on doing your job. On the other hand, the wealthy think that a bigger pay is essential for their time. As a result, they receive more money per hour since they also work on jobs that provide a higher income. In sum, time is a very valuable resource that should be well spent. Number 4. Rich people make crucial financial decisions when they are not under stress or worry. As a general rule, you should never make significant decisions when you are upset, under pressure, or anxious. Your life, including concerns about your finances, is influenced by these decisions. Every financial move one makes has a significant impact, and the wealthy are aware of this. Those who lack riches suffer from stress and worry. It's hard to disregard these thoughts when making crucial financial decisions since they are persistent. This can further complicate one's financial situation, which is a recipe for disaster. A study found that worry and stress might negatively impact your life by keeping you from making sensible financial decisions. You are more prone to make choices that may ultimately lead to further financial problems if your finances are already constrained. Avoid making bad financial decisions, and whenever you must make one, do so calmly and clearly like the rich. If you give it a try, you'll see that your financial situation will improve. Number 5. Rich people invest. Investing has several benefits, like helping you beat inflation, doubling your money, saving you money on taxes, and helping you reach your financial goals and many more. The 1% increase their wealth through investments and making their money work for them. Making wise investments is the best advice there is. Essentially, improving your financial situation depends on your investments, which generally perform the heavy lifting to make people wealthy. Furthermore, your earnings from these investments can always be reinvested. Since investing carries a certain amount of risk, you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. Because of the high interest rates that investments frequently generate, it allows for constant wealth accumulation, which the wealthy are aware of and utilize to their advantage in order to gain more money. And in order to truly gain from investing, start your journey today. And make sure to get in touch with a qualified expert so they can give you proper guidance. Number 6. The rich have several sources of income. It should go without saying that having a single source of income will hinder you from becoming wealthy, since the income you receive will only be sufficient for your needs. There are various ways to make money, and for the rich, this involves running many businesses. Working for someone else prevents you from getting wealthy since you're basically just contributing to the wealth accumulation of the rich, while receiving only enough money to cover your expenses on a monthly basis. Your potential to earn increases with your financial wealth. This is why it's necessary to have a variety of income streams that will bring in more money. By doing this, you could prevent declaring bankruptcy while ensuring a stable income, investing the extra cash, or even treating yourself to a luxury item you've had your eye on. There are 2 basic types of income. Active income, primarily seen by middle-class people and involves working for the money you make, and passive income, which doesn't directly depend on the number of hours you put in. The wealthy rely on a passive income to drive their constant wealth accumulation. Rental properties, dividend stocks, index funds, book publishing, and app building are a few examples that might help you generate passive income. From royalties or sales, each of them will produce a consistent stream of income. Number 7. The rich refrain from making unnecessary purchases. Spending carelessly on items you don't even need is what will get you into financial trouble, and it's what the rich stay away from. The rich strive to minimize impulsive buying because they're aware that the more money you spend, the less you have. The wealthy are typically extremely cautious and guarded regarding their money. The rich would only be rich for a short time if they spent their money lavishly and carelessly without careful planning. You will never be able to keep your money no matter how much you earn if you consistently overspend. The rich are aware that cutting spending provides them more money to invest and grow for their future. Remember that your ability to be frugal relies on your income. Someone considered middle class may spend far more than someone considered wealthy. The rich, on the other hand, are often thrifty and monitor their money. Therefore, earn more, save more, and reduce your spending. Number 8. More people in the middle and lower class save than invest. Saving money is a good idea, especially if you have a specific goal in mind, such as saving for a home, college, or other purchases. However, the rich pay little attention to this. They would instead place their money in a high-yield savings account that accumulates interest and invest it to generate more income. This allows them to continue amassing more money. The majority of individuals in the lower and middle class fall into bank traps, thinking it is a good idea to hold a lot of money in the bank, even when it is really losing value. In reality, studies show that banks lend or credit the top 1% of earners using the money the lower and middle class are saving without interest. So consider this a sign to save and invest properly. I'm afraid we have reached the end of the video for today. Thank you for watching thus far. Please subscribe and give a like if you enjoyed it, and comment your thoughts below. This is Finance Sense, helping you keep up with all the latest trends in the financial markets and the economy. See you in the next video.